What's up, y'all? Welcome back to another video. We still here, we still blessed, we still grinding, we just still. And today I wanted to hop on here and holler at y'all about how you can get rich overnight trading forex. Stay tuned for the intro. We're gonna talk about it. Let's go.
Yeah, this is where I wanna be. Live my life like a vacation every night. A movie.
You can be whatever you wanna be. You can do whatever you wanna do. All you gotta do is put the work in and sit back and watch your dreams come true. You can be whatever you wanna be. You can do whatever you wanna do. All you gotta do is put the work in and sit back and watch your dreams come true.
I'm not even gonna try to cap or clickbait with y'all. The truth is, you really can't get rich overnight trading forex. You got to put the work in. Unfortunately, this is one of those type of things where it's going to take time to build that skill set, but once you got it, you're set for life. Trust me. So yeah, for that reason, it's going to take time to build this skill set that you're trying to develop. So let's talk about why you can't get rich overnight, because a lot of people, like random people I might meet out, right? If I tell them what I do, they think I'm either a really good gambler or they think like I'm just playing around. Like they don't understand like the amount of money you can make if you're a good day trader. So let's talk about why you can't get rich overnight day trading, right? So one of the main reasons you can't get rich overnight day trading is because you have to learn the language and how platforms operate. You have to learn how charts operate. And that's not something you can easily learn, right? You have to learn how the government works. You have to learn how money works. You have to learn how to take calculated risk, right? It's not like an easy thing to do, right? At least if you want to do it and make some real money with it and take it serious. I'm a day trader, so I'm in and out of the market the same day. I've been trading for 6+ years. So I have a lot of experience with all types of trading: swing trading, intraday trading, day trading, scalping, all of it, right? I've pretty much done it all. So I'm telling you guys this from experience. To be a good day trader and to make money consistently on a daily basis, there's a lot of things that you got to be good at, right? So yeah, it takes time to develop those things is what I'm trying to tell you. So you have to learn the language of the market. You have to learn how candlestick works. You have to learn how news report affects markets. If you want to trade the way that I trade, right, you have to learn the way that retail traders think when it comes to investing in the market, because I trade the algorithm, and the algorithm is designed to capitalize off of human emotions and the basic retail traders that are in the market every day. So that's a whole other thing that we don't even have to get into today. I'm just telling you, you have to learn your own behavior, right? You have to learn what makes you greedy. You have to learn what situations give you FOMO. You have to learn how to manage your risk. You have to learn how to manage trades. There's a lot of things that you got to learn how to do. This is why you can't get rich overnight, right? One of the most important things is you have to learn strategy, right? And there's so many different strategies that exist today that you have to keep testing strategies to see which one best fits your personality. I like instant gratification, right? So I'm a scalper. I like getting in a trade, then getting out. I don't like sitting in a trade for days or weeks at a time, trying to figure out if I'm winning or losing. I don't like that, right? I like if I see something and it looks good and I want to invest my money into it right now, I don't want to wait years to know if it was a good investment, right? So that's just me. That's just my personality right now. So you may be different. You may like long-term gratification where you can take a safer bet, but it'll pay off. Like it'll take longer to pay off, but it's safer, right? That may be you. You may not have the same risk tolerance that I have. So you got to figure that out. So that's another reason you can't get rich overnight with trading, because it takes time to figure that out, right? You have to learn by trial and error in the market. When you're testing these strategies, you have to test them over periods of time to make sure that they're consistent for a long period of time, right? You don't want a strategy that works for 2 weeks and then the next 3 months you're losing money. No, not doing that. You want a strategy that's going to last you, that's going to work for at least 75% of the year so that you can make consistent income, right? Because the goal that most people have when they're trading is to be financially free. That means you need a strategy that's going to allow you to do that. Something you can rinse and repeat every day, something you can stick to the plan with, right? So it takes time to test out these strategies and test out your personality with these strategies. strategy. So that's why you can't get rich overnight with trading, right? It's a real time investment, and it's a real commitment. You got to learn your emotions in the market. You got to know like what makes you triggered in the market, like what's going to make you risk too much, like what situations are going to make you want to chase price, right? Like you have to learn these things. You also have to learn market conditions. When is the market high probability enough for you to make good, consistent money? If they're low probability conditions and you're trying to trade it with the same risk that you do when there's high probability conditions, you're going to end up blowing a lot of money, right? You can really hurt yourself in the market. So you have to learn market conditions. You have to learn seasonal tendencies, like which quarter is the market going to be up? Which quarter is the market likely to be down? Like you need to learn these things so that you can move accordingly. And those things take time, right? It takes time for you to go through all 4 quarters of a year, sticking to your trading plan. That takes time to get good at. Some people might can just come in to trading and like in their first year to 3 years could kill it, right? Because there's more information out now. It took me 6+ years to get where I'm at today, to get the results that y'all see when I'm trading. So you know what I'm saying, it may not take other people. I know for a fact the people that's learning from me, it's taking them half the amount of time that it took me, because they're getting all my learning curves, right? They're getting all my shortcuts to success. Everything that I went through, my experience, they're getting a look at that, and they're getting to move accordingly with that information, right? They're getting the chance to really capitalize off of my mistakes that I made, right? But at the end of the day, it don't matter how good your strategy is. It doesn't matter how good your risk management is. It doesn't matter about any of that. What matters is, are you disciplined? Are you good at managing your emotions when the pressure's on the line? When you're sitting in drawdown with your real money on the line, are you able to take that loss and not spiral out and lose more money, right? Can you stick to your edge? Because your edge in the market is what's going to give you the consistently profitable results that you want. Can you stick to that? It takes time to get good at sticking to that, right? Because when you first start off, it's not going to be that easy, right? You're learning the market, you're learning your emotions, so it's not going to be that easy. So you have to practice sticking to the script. And once you get good at sticking to the script, like once you're able to come into the market every single day and it's just muscle memory, like your setups, the times you trade, you don't have FOMO because you know that your setup is going to rinse and repeat every day. Once all that becomes muscle memory, that's when you get to the point when you're consistently just crushing it month after month. So that is why you can't get rich overnight day trading. Yeah, sorry to break it to you, but if you want to commit to learning how to be a good day trader and you want to change your life, if you want to get financial freedom, if you want to learn how to make money from anywhere in the world off of your phone and your computer, then learn how to trade. Yeah, that's all I really got for this video. Till the next one, out.